Hello, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop and review testing tayo ng unit. This is the High Kappa 5.1. This is the John Wick 4 Pit Viper. This is the unit of Sir William ng Cebu. Sir, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Shout out po sa inyo dyan. This is your unit, the Double Bell John Wick 4 Pit Viper gas blowback pistol. Comes with 4,000 shots, 3.20 grams BBs, and also comes with the green gas number 12 standard power. Ito na yung unit mo, sir. Buksan na natin yung box. So it also comes with the gun case. So si double bell, may kasama na talaga siyang gun case out of the box. And bubuksan na natin. Okay, this is your unit, sir. It also comes with extra loading nozzle and also the Continental card, John Wick gold coin, and the cleaning rod. Okay, and this is the unit, the John Wick 4 Pit Viper by Double Bell. Ayan. Pit Viper. Adjustable yung kanyang sight. Rear sight. You can adjust the sight. Yan. Yung part na to, ito yung windage and this one is the elevation. Okay. The design of the sight with the two white dots and fiber optic sight sa front. Okay, so pwede ka ring maglagay dito ng accessories katulad ng flashlight, yan, and lasers, yung mga ganon, kasi meron siyang railing. Yan. Though wala nga lang siyang thread for tracer units. Okay, so this is 30 rounder capacity magazine, sir. 30 rounder capacity mag. Yan, naka-magwell na rin siya. Layered magwell. Yan. Ambidextrous manual safety. And as you can see, sumasabay din yung sa kabila. Okay, yan po yung ibig sabihin ng ambidextrous manual safety. Check natin kung working. Okay, up for safety, down for fire. Yan. And yung other safety features niya, ito sir, beaver tail safety. Pag hindi siya engaged, hindi siya nakadiin, kahit na kalabitin nyo siya, hindi rin siya puputok. Ayan. Okay, again, this is the Double Bell Pit Viper John Wick 4 unit of Sir William ng Cebu. Okay, so ngayon, itetest natin yung EPS, yung chronograph, kung ilang EPS po ito si John Wick 4. Okay, so test lang natin yung gas mo, sir, kung magkakarga ba siya, no? Kaya lang natin siya ng gas konti. Okay. Okay, tayo bala. This is 24 rounder, sir, pero much better kung hindi mo siya isasagad sa 24. Much better kung half lang. 15. Yan, para yung spring hindi compress. So, lagyan lang natin ng dalawa para sa chronograph. Chronograph test. Okay, on lang natin yung chrono. Okay. Check natin, sir, kung ilang EPS etong Pit Viper John Wick 4. Yan. The markings, yan. Pit Viper. Taran Tactical Innovations. Yan. Okay. So, check natin sa chronograph kung ilang EPS. Firing 305.6. Firing 301.4. Okay? So ayan, nag-open slide siya. So once nag-open slide, release mo lang yung magazine. Release the magazine, sir, and then etong slide na to, pull back mo lang ng konti. Ayan, hanggang sa gumitna. And then, yung slide stop, baba mo siya. Ayan, baba mo yung slide stop. Then, tsaka mo re-release yung slide. Okay, ginagawa po natin to, sir, para hindi mapudpud agad yung part na to. Kasi pag nag-lock siya, tapos ganito lang ang gagawin nyo, ganyan, katagalan, mapupudpud yan eh. Okay, so yun po ang gagawin nyo, sir. Ang gawin nyo, pag nag-lock siyang ganon, bali, iuusog mo lang yung slide ng konti. Ayan. Focus natin ha. Ayan. Iuusog mo yung slide ng konti, tapos ibababa mo yung slide stop, then tsaka mo siya bibitawan. Para hindi sila magkikiskisan. Okay, yan. So, now proceed tayo sa shoot test. Nalagyan ko siya ng another bala para matest natin yung accuracy. Okay, Sir William of Cebu. Thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop, sir. Proceed tayo sa shoot test. Okay, Sir William of Cebu. This is your Pit Viper John Wick 4 by Double Bell. Brand new Pit Viper John Wick 4 by Double Bell. Okay, shoot test tayo. Okay, firing. Ubusin lang natin yung bala para mag-open chamber. Ayan. So, katulad po kanina nag-open chamber. Ayan, ganun pa din po ang gagawin. Release the magazine. And then, yung tinuro ko po sa inyo kanina, ito, yung slide. Ayan. Bali, i-full vac mo lang ng konti. Then, yung slide stop, bababa mo. Then, release. Okay, hammer down. Okay, Sir William, okay na po ang inyong unit. 100% in good condition. This is the brand new Pit Viper John Wick 4 by Double Bell. Okay, ready to ship na po siya. Bound to Cebu. If you have more questions, sir, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.